Hi and welcome back to another English video. In this video we're gonna learn a new phrasal verb which is pass away. One more time, pass away. We're gonna explain how to use it and then we're gonna take a look at some points. If you are interested, keep watching. Pass away simply means die. One more time, die. I think all of us know the meaning of the word die, but there is a difference between pass away and die, and I'll explain it later in this video. But first, let's take some examples of how to use this point. Stephanie passed away 2 years ago. One more time. Stephanie passed away 2 years ago. What I mean here is that she died 2 years ago. Another example. When did John pass away? When did John pass away? He passed away at the age of 85. He passed away at the age of 85. So as you can see here, pass away is a synonym of die. What is the difference between pass away and die? Let me explain to you. Simply, it's much better to use pass away, which sounds more polite and respectful. So you can use it if you want to avoid using the word die. And from now on, it's much better to say he passed away or she passed away, instead of saying dead or died. That's at the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, subscribe and of course turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video.